Hi everyone, thank you for heading over to my channel. I have here a gift card holder with a envelope style flip book that I made for my niece's birthday, and she turns 12 today. So I wanted to show you what I made for her before I go ahead and give this to her. I had a lot of fun making this gift card holder for her. She likes to craft when she comes here, so that's fantastic. So when she does come over to my place, I let her take over my craft room and she takes over the reins, and she can just go all out and do whatever she wants in here and creates whatever she wants. So I thought I'd make her a gift card holder with a envelope style flip book. So this is what I made for her. I used a lot of my metal dies to make the embellishments in this project, and also I also used this gift card holder die to hold the gift card for her. So I'll show you the inside. This is a bow embellishment, a bow die that I have, that I made, and this is also a flower die set as well, and I made a nice layered flower for her. So when you open it up, I held it with some Velcro. Oh, and the envelope is I used my envelope punch board by We Are Memory Keepers, and this envelope size was a 4.5 by 4.5 size envelope. So when you open it up, this is the top part of the envelope. I used one of my favorite cute little envelope dies, and I just added a little washi sample for her. When she goes home, she can use that for her little projects. So that's in there. Then you open this one on the bottom. Had a little some paper in my stash, and I just made it into a pocket, and I've also added some little stickers in there that spells out her name that she can use. So this is also another die that I've got. Then you open it this side, and there's another little envelope here for her, and she opens that up. I'll just take it out. I made like a metal cabochon vintage style image in a cabochon metal tray or cameo, so she can use that for whatever she wants to do with that, or as a little keepsake maybe. So that goes in there. Oops, sorry, just try and get that in there. There we go. And then you open this side up. I've added a balloon shaker for her. I had a lot of fun making this as well. That's the back. So that's just a little gift for her. And on this side, I just embellished it with some more of my metal dies, a bow and a balloon die. And this is the next, well, this is where the gift card is in. Again, just using a lot of my dies and some cutter parts from my paper pad. So you open this up, and that says Amelia, and that's how old she'll be, obviously, so she's turning 12. Then you open that up. Now this is not actually her gift card. I've still got to get her gift card. I'm just going to put that one in there for now. So this is the cute little girl die that I've got. I think a lot of other crafters have this die as well. So I had a lot of fun making that. So that's that gift card holder, which is this one here. And on the bottom on this side here, I added a pocket, and it says love you. And these are 4 tags that I've popped in the pocket, so each of my family members will write a little message for her on each one of these tags. So that's where her message will go, her birthday message. And so yes, so that is my gift card holder with a envelope style flip book that I made for her, and I think she might like that. Well, I hope she will. I think she will. So that is how it looks. So I'm just going to show you how it looks when you cut this, the the gift card holder, it cuts out like that. And then what you do is I used a piece of cardstock that measured 4.5 by 9. Then I just fold it in half to make the card base. And all you do next is, when you cut that out, you just fold that in half. There's a score line there that tells you where to fold it. And then there's little stitch edges around the bottom here. You just fold that up as well, like that. And then the other side, you fold that as well. So it creates that sort of a look. And all you do next is just apply some glue to the bottom of those flaps. Okay, my glue has dried up, so I won't put any glue, but you just put glue along these bottom flaps and you just adhere it to the center of where you did your fold, like that. And that will go like that. And I'll just take this card out. So I didn't come prepared with the glue to work. So then all you do is that just slides in there like that. And then it just folds over. And then when you open it up, obviously when it's glued, it'll sort of pop back up like that. So that's how this gift card holder looks like when you assemble it. Or you can also have it that way. Another good thing with this is you can also use this as a bag topper. Okay, I'll just use one of my sort of die cut khaki. So you just fold that over, and then this bit here, you obviously won't fold that back. That just sits on there. I'll go this way. And then you just adhere it like that, and then there's your topper, like that. So you can also make that as a for your packaging as well. So I just thought I'd just share with you what I made for my niece, and I hope you enjoyed my project video. And oops, sorry, I'll just close it up this way. And I hope you enjoyed what I made. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.